Welcome everyone. So, in this session, I am going to start the our session. It is ICSE board question session 2022. Okay, for class 10th and section B, question number 6. Okay, so I am going to discuss about this question. Question is there. Okay, define a class to declare an array and accept and a store 10 word display only those words which begins with letter capital A and or small a and also ends with letter capital A and a small a. Okay, so as you given the example like this, and we need to display the output. Okay, so first of all, define a class to declare an array. So I am going to do first. I am going to define a class, and class name I am giving like I am giving my class name is a start. Okay. As always, package name is optionally. I told you in, in your examination, not mandatory to give the package name. Public class and class name is start. Okay. Now I have defined a class, and then I am going to create a an array which will store 10 words. Okay. So public static void main string arguments, and then I am creating an array. Array we need to store 10 words in an array. Okay, so we need to for storing the words we need to take the data type a string. A string w array is equals to new a string, and then we need to give the size. Okay, I have created the array which will accept 10 words, and then I need to take input. So for taking input I am going to create the object of a scanner class. Scanner s is equals to new scanner system.in, and we need to also import the scanner class. I have imported the scanner class, and then I am going to take input 10. I am taking input 10 words. Okay, so I am writing the logic. uh, System.out.println enter 10 words. Okay, and then for integer of x is equals to 0, x less than is w dot length keyword, because of it is array x plus plus. Now uh, w of x is equals to s dot next. Okay, with for accepting the word we need to take next. Okay, for a single word we will take next. For multiple words in a single variable we will take next line. Okay, so I have written the logic to accept 10 words. Now I am going to little give the logic little bit of. Okay, suppose I have a word like Anita. Okay, Anita. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So what we need to do, if a string is having first letter is A or last letter is A, then we need to display. Okay. Capital A or a small a, then we need to display. And we know a string is also a sequence of characters. So its character sequence will be from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so every character is having index like this. So we can use the string method or we can use the char at method. Okay, in this question we will see from the both methods by using a string method. Okay, and by using uh, a string method, uh, start with and ends with, and a string method char at. Okay, so we will follow from the both step. Okay, so step 1, I am giving my class name is a start 1. Okay, start 1 I have written. So now I am going to show you by using a start with and end with method. Okay, so by using starts with and ends with. Okay, so I am going to mm, 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 take an array for integer of y is equal to 0, y less than w dot length, and y plus plus. Okay, now I am writing the logic. If w of y, okay, w of y dot starts with, we need to pass string value a. Okay, or w of array w of y dot starts with capital A. Here we need to give logical or. Okay, and here we need to give logical and w of y dot ends with capital A or a small a, first for a small a, or w of y dot ends with capital A. Okay, then it will display system dot out dot println a of sorry, w of y. Okay, that's it. So here everyone, I am decreasing the length of, yeah. So here I have written the logic for start with capital A or a small a and ends with capital A or a small a. Okay, so I am going to compile this program, compile successfully, and then execute. I am giving some words like as given inside the question example: Hari, Anita, Akash, Amrita, Alina, Devi, Rishab. Devi will take, but Rishab will not take. Okay, Rishab, John, Farha, Amita. So as expecting, our output is coming. Okay, you can see all of the output is coming here. So my program is working correct, but Devi Rishab will not work because of I have used next. We need to take next line. If a space character, if the words which is containing a space character, then we need to use next line, so it will not affect in our program. Okay, if I will use next line also. Okay, so you can use this step. Okay, or I am going to show you one more method. Okay, just I am going to sorting this method. Okay, now I am doing this line as a comment, multi-line comment. Okay, and then just copying the code and pasting. Okay, here by using a start with and ends with method with short form. Okay, so what I am going to do here, everyone, w dot y dot to upper case. Okay, dot starts with capital A. Okay, and w dot y w of y dot to upper case dot ends with capital A. Okay, that's it. Okay, so it will also work. Here I have converted whatever inside this string value, it will be converted to uppercase, and uppercase string will be checked start with A or not and ends with A or not. Okay, that's it. Compile, compiled successfully, and run this program. Okay, so I am giving name like my words I am giving. So like I am giving Ravi, uh, Amana, Sunaina, uh, Elisha, and Arnava, Aparna, uh, Alia, and Khushi, Priya, Shreya. So it is displaying our correct output. Okay, you can see our correct output is it is displaying. It is displaying those kinds of words which is starting from letter A and ending from letter A also. Okay, so everyone, it is the first way to make. Okay, inside the first way you can use any logic. You can use this first logic, or you can use this second logic. Okay, it is logic 2. Okay, it is logic 1. You can use any logic. Okay, so now I am going to make this question with makes the second method, second way. Okay, so new class. By say I am going to make this question with second way, a start to. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, So here I am going to use by using caret method. Okay. So at the place of a starts with, I am using caret. So w dot y, w of y dot char at 0 is equals to character a, or w of y char at 0 is equals to capital A. Okay. And we will follow the same for char at. Here we need to give the last character. We need to take last character. So how to find the last character? W dot length minus 1. Okay, we will get the last character. Okay. Or same char at length minus 1, w dot length minus 1. Here it will be the capital letter A. That's it. It will work as same. Compile successfully. Then I am going to run this program. I am giving the words as given inside the example: Hari, Anita, Akash, Amrita, Alina, Devi, Rishab, John, Farha, Amita. Okay, one more. 339. Okay, Aman, Anam. We are getting error. Okay, we are getting error. Why we are getting error? Because of it is we need to give a string. Okay, length of a string, not a length of. Sorry, here I have done a mistake. We need to take a string length. Okay, not array. W of y dot length method. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, yeah, it is correct. Compile successfully. I am going to run this program again. Okay, giving the same input: Hari, Anita, Akash, Amrita, Alina, Devi, Rishab, John, Farha, Amita, Anam. So it is displaying my correct output. You can see everyone. Okay, output is correct. Okay, so you can follow one more step here. It is logic 1. Okay, it is logic 1. Logic 1. Okay, you can follow the second logic also. Same I will do as previous, according to the previous logic by method 1. Here I am going to convert it into the uppercase. Okay, so w dot y, w of y dot 2 upper case dot caret 0 is equals to a. Okay, that's it. And here also w of y dot 2 upper case dot caret w of y length. That's it. Yeah, now it will work. It will work as same. Okay, compile this program. Just a second. I am getting, yeah, there is a word mistake, not two uppercase dot char at w of y length minus 1, where I am doing mistake. W of y dot two uppercase, okay, dot char at 0 is equals to capital A. Yeah, here we need to also compare with capital A, okay, because I have converted into the uppercase letter. Now it is okay, it will execute. Enter 10 words I am giving. My words I am giving, okay. Amana, uh, Alia, Elisa, Ravi, Pavan, Arif, Arfa, Kumud, Prerna, Aparna. So it is displaying the all of the characters which all of the words which is starting from capital A and a small a. Okay. So thank you everyone. I hope you have understood this question. Okay, you have understood this explanation. You can follow any logic. Okay, it is logic 2. Okay, so you can use starts with or ends with, but I recommend you to follow the method 1. Okay, follow the method 1 by using a starts with or ends with method. A starts with and ends with method. Okay, so you can use any of them, it doesn't matter. Okay, but I recommend you to use first one. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you.